Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of my birthday unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is an unboxing from the Hermes store. So last week I got a text that my item was here and I was very excited. Now she did ask me, we were going back and forth for about 5 months, and she asked me first if I would consider getting certain specifications other than what I had requested because of the fact that they're getting such limited shipments. She did not have what I wanted. So I told her that I was willing to change sizes, and I was also willing to change the hardware that I had requested at first. I do love all the hardware options. I love gold, I love silver, the palladium hardware, and I like the rose gold hardware. So I was open to any hardware. I was not too happy about the size, but I wasn't necessarily against getting a different size than what I had originally wanted. So I will get further into that once we do the unboxing. So let me stop rambling and I'll go ahead and I will get started. So here is my birthday bag, and she did give me some lovely gifts. And she said they were for Mother's Day, so that was a lovely surprise while I was there. So she's absolutely wonderful, and I'm just so happy. Now this bag was a surprise for me because I knew it was the color that I wanted, but you'll see when I unbox it. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so here, okay, here is the bag, and that's the inside of the box. You have your little pillow, you have the raincoat, and then we have the care booklet. And I haven't actually looked at the care booklet in any of my items, but I do a pretty good job taking care of all of my handbags. They're all treated very well. So we'll go ahead and get to the good stuff. Okay, now what I got for my birthday is this gorgeous B25 gold Epsom leather cellier with palladium hardware. Now cellier will have the stitching on the outside. The retorn is stitched on the inside. So it has that beautiful contrast stitching on the outside. Now I was not, when I went in, she told me, Keisha, I got your bag. I wasn't able to get the gold with gold hardware, but it is gold. It's the size you wanted, B25, but it has the palladium hardware. Will you be willing to take that? And I said, yes, absolutely. I always tend to gravitate to a gold hardware when I pick up a classic style bag. It's not that I have anything against silver tone. I just choose the gold for some reason. I did want to eventually get something with the palladium hardware, but I wasn't expecting this one to be with palladium hardware. But I am absolutely happy because I was not expecting the Epsom leather. I thought I was going to get the Togo leather, but for some reason with the Epsom leather, the palladium hardware looks so crisp. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So here is my new birthday Birkin, my B25 in gold Epsom cellier style. She has that 4 feet on the bottom, and I will give you some great close-ups once I take the felt off. So there she is. And I'm absolutely, it was a really nice surprise because when she took it out, I was like, Epsom leather. And then she's like, oh, this is so special. They don't usually, you get many bags that are this size in the Epsom leather. So I was happily surprised. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the felt, and the sticker is starting to come off, so I will rip that off as well. And let me go ahead and take that off. Just give me a second, and we will get going here. And I guess the key bell is on the inside. So there we go. And the key bell is on the inside. This one did not come with, usually they have a piece of air paper in here, but I guess since this is the Epsom, it did not have any air paper. Now the inside of the bag is gold as well, gold color, and it is, it has a zippered back pocket. So let's go ahead and look. I never used that on my other bag, so I doubt I'll be using it on this one. And then it has a slip pocket in the front, and then just the interior of the bag, and my cloche is in here. So I'll go ahead and put that on as well. And here is that with the palladium hardware. Everything has the stickers on because it's just coming out for its debut. Okay. And let me go ahead and put her together, and then we will both take a look at her. So I love a structured bag just as much as I enjoy a slouchy bag. So I was kind of happy to get this style because I have my B25 in the Togo. So this was a lovely, nice surprise. And there she is with her cloche on and all opened. And this is how I will be wearing this bag. Now, as you guys know, the handle drop is very small on the B25, but I am able to get it to right about midway up my forearm. So I'm gonna be wearing it just like this, or I'm gonna hand carry this bag. And I did get a gift a couple of months ago when it was my birthday. So it is already opened. I knew I had wanted something in the gold color, and I was gifted this beautiful Oran bag charm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so we can see how that looks on it as well. I really like the tonal look, like the tone on tone with the same color. So how adorable is that? I'm very happy with it. I love structured bags, so that's why I always gravitate to the Louis Vuitton Alma. And I was not considering getting an Epsom Birkin, but I am so happy that this is just how it worked out for me. And maybe next time, if I'm lucky enough, I would like to get something in color now that I have my black and my gold neutral color. I would like to get maybe a red, item, maybe something red, I was thinking, or green. I wanted bamboo, something in the bamboo color, but she told me that they no longer are making the bamboo color. So unfortunately, I missed out on that, but that's okay. Red is my favorite color, so I think I'll go with something in red. Now let's go ahead, and I want to show you these awesome gifts that I got from her, my Mother's Day surprise that she gave me. Now, she did give me this adorable silk charm So she said you can just tie it on your bag, and that was just so nice. I'm just gonna tie it on now. Of course, I don't think I'll be wearing all of these together, but just so you guys can see how adorable this looks. And that was just absolutely so lovely of her. She's such a nice woman. But this is how the silk charm looks, and it does have color of the gold in there. So, and it has like a little silver tone hardware piece right there. So it goes very nicely, and I'm so excited. I will do a comparison between the Cellier versus the Retorn style, since they're both B25s. And then she gave me, now this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is just absolutely adorable. She did give me this, and I didn't know what it was, and I didn't understand exactly what she was saying, because she said, oh, this is for tea. So I was like, is she giving me like a teacup or a little, you know, a little miniature teacup? But she gave me this. And I must say that every time I go into the Hermes store in the Design District, they are absolutely so nice to me. I can tell you that sometimes when I go into other stores, I don't get as good service as I do when I go into the Hermes store. Now, if you look closely, these are tea bags, and they are in the shape of a horse. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Okay, and they're all falling out all over my table here. But I just thought that was just so adorable. Look at that. Okay. And they have like the little orange and then the little shape of a horse. So cute. Okay, so the type of tea, it says it's black tea and orange peel. So I'm excited to try that. I'll let you guys know how that tea is, because I do like drinking tea. So we'll just take another glimpse at the bag. And I'm just absolutely ecstatic about this bag. It's perfect color. I love their Hermes gold color. So maybe later on I will consider getting something in gold Togo. Obviously not a Birkin, because I don't want Togo and a Cellier style Birkin in the same size. But there is my birthday bag, my new B25 in gold, Epsom Cellier style. So I thank you guys for watching. God bless you. And until next time, look out for my tag video. I'm going to be doing my mom bag tag soon. So look out for that video. And I have the comparison video between the Retorn and the Cellier style. And I also am going to be doing a review on my Birkin 25, the B25 in the Togo leather. So look out for those videos, and thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. God bless you and take care. Bye.